See.
So that's when you have to turn around.
Hey, so where are we? Yeah, we got a loop, and it's actually the same down as it was up for us. Look, Xander, he's once again making his slow transformation to Euro douche in the course of a visit. By the first week, he's already picked up the glasses. The shoes even, you know, somewhat.
Yeah.
It's already there.
No,
Jules, meanwhile,
American shoes.
thinks that it's, you know, hiking. Flip-flops is just cool.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, those aren't flip-flops. They're hiking shoes.
Those are
They're new age.
They're for running.
Christopher Colombo. I discovered a new world. Also, I discovered stupid hairstyles for facial hair. Yes, it's good to have a couple of videos. Okay, so here's the